Hi guys. So, nasa People's Park tayo to do the walking, the exercise, and then we're done grabbing coffee. Ayan. So, mas maganda kasi dito tayo nag-walking. Mas near sa nature. So, we're out of here na. We're done with the rounds. Walking around the oval. And now we're going home, walking na naman pabalik to Agdao. From People's Park to Agdao. Layo. It's okay. Our sleep will be well tonight because of the exercise that we had. At least, babalik na tayo. Kasi tagal natin hindi nakapag-walking. It's been around 4 months since nagsimula tayong mag-duty sa hospital. So, babalik na tayo sa ating healthy lifestyle and target on healthy lifestyle pa pala. Di ba parang healthy yung lifestyle natin? May equip pa tayo. Hopefully. So guys, this is Maria Juana Tanong. Kaway-kaway mga kada.